many people don't know that vitamin C should be kept away from air and sunlight. Like, why would you have a vitamin C serum and you're storing it close to your window? Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your favorite girl, Blossom Chewy, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about some popular skincare products and some mistakes people make while using these products. Okay, so without further ado, let us dive right into this video. The first skincare product I'm going to be talking about is hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid serums. Hyaluronic acid is a fantastic hydrator. It helps to keep your skin plump and hydrating. But one thing you should ask yourself, are you using your hyaluronic acid serum very well to get the maximum result from it? A common mistake people make while using hyaluronic acid serum is applying it on dry skin. So to apply your hyaluronic acid properly, apply it on damp skin and then seal it in with a moisturizer to lock in the hydration, and you're going to get the maximum hydrating effects from that hyaluronic acid. The second skincare mistake people make is when it comes to using vitamin C. Vitamin C is a very good ingredient. It is an antioxidant. It helps to brighten the skin. It helps to prevent or protect your skin from sun damage and environmental factors. It is it is one of the most used skincare ingredients we have. But one problem with vitamin C is that it is very unstable. That means it can lose its effectiveness easily, especially if you don't store it properly. So many people don't know that vitamin C should be kept away from air and sunlight. Like, why would you have a vitamin C serum and you're storing it close to your window where sunlight, rays and air can easily penetrate into it? That is why most vitamin C that you see are usually stored in a dark container, like a dark bottle, in order for it not to oxidize. Because this vitamin C is very unstable, that is why it is usually made in a very small bottle. Like, the highest you can see of a vitamin C serum is 60 ml. That is because if it stays too long, it has a tendency of being exposed to sunlight and air, and it will reduce its efficacy. Please, if you have a vitamin C serum, in order for it not to lose its efficiency, please store it in a cool, dry place, and also make sure that your bottle is tightly sealed. And when it comes to application, always apply your vitamin C in the morning and then follow up with a sunscreen to boost its efficacy. Next up is your face oil. Face oils are excellent to lock in moisture on your face, but they should be the last step in your skincare routine. Don't apply your face oil after you have your bath or after you wash your face. It is only going to prevent your other skincare products from penetrating and doing their work. In order to get the maximum result from your face oils, apply your face oils after your serums and after your moisturizer. Another mistake people make is when it comes to the use of retinol. Hold on, I myself, I am guilty of this mistake, but I've learned my lesson. So you too, if you've been doing this wrongly, listen to me very carefully. The major mistake people make is using it too often and not following up with a moisturizer, like a really good moisturizer. This can lead to dryness and irritation. If you are a beginner to retinol, please start with a very low concentration. You can gradually increase the frequency as your skin builds tolerance. And also, very important, make sure you follow up with a very good moisturizer, because retinol can be very drying. It can make your skin dry up and leads to irritation, and you wouldn't want that. So always follow up with a good moisturizer. Then the last skincare mistake that people make is something that I keep hammering, I keep hitting on the head, I keep talking about every day, every time. And if after this video you still do it wrongly, you are on your own. So this is when it comes to this soap, Kojie San Soap. Now, this Kojie San Soap, its main ingredient is kojic acid, and kojic acid is a very effective, very potent ingredient when it comes to lightening or brightening your skin. And you know that any ingredients or any product that contains any lightening ingredient needs to be used at night. Okay, you need to use at night, and you don't need to use it every day. Now, some of you would use Kojie San Soap, you're using it morning and night every day, 24 hours 7 days a week. You are only going to dry up your skin, and this is only going to irritate your skin. Please, if you have the Kojie San Soap, use it few times in a week. Use it like 3 to 4 times in a week, please, and always make sure you use it preferably at night, and follow up with a very good moisturizer to moisturize your skin. With these are the skincare mistakes that I've been able to put together that so many people make, especially while using their favorite skincare products. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a very huge thumbs up. Like this video, please, like my content, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't, drop comments, tell me your thoughts. If you like this video or if you found this video helpful, please drop that in the comment section, and I'm going to see you on my next